Oh, welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. I've got this on again. Scan me a donut. I've got this on again, and fortunately there is a God. The weather so far so good, is not doing too bad. It's blowing that way, and look at that cloud. Anyway, so far so good. I had intended to show you the beginning of the event and the setting up, but that turned into 3 hours of just running around like headless chickens. It's now 2:20, and we're at our Dancing on the Prom event, and I'm shattered because we've just been doing the Charleston really badly, I might add. So I thought we would take you for a little look around, and we will see what's happening in our lovely town this afternoon as we do our second Care for Cleveleys event of 2023 with the UK SPF money that we've got from Borough Council. And there's been loads of people coming up to me and saying, "Oh, you're that woman, I watch you," which is really nice. Oh, I'm shattered. Right, I'm going to turn this round and we'll have a look and see what we can see. So as you can see by the flag, it's blowing off land. So all this grotty grey cloud is sort of blowing over, and we've got some fairly clear at the back of it, and the sun keeps shining. And it's really nice. It would have been too hot actually if the sun had come out full tilt, because it's quite warm. Well, you can see I've got a t-shirt on, so you can tell how warm it is, and I'm not cold, I'll be honest, I'm not cold. So we've got the prom out in full swing. We've got a lovely event going on here. We've got Lily DiCarlo singing, and we've got the Brian and Linda dancers who are helping to keep the afternoon going with the swing. So spot Brian and Linda, they're the ones in the blue dress and the blue stripy top. We've got fundraising stalls around the edge, so we've got the homemade cakes and whatnot. We've got people joining in, it's lovely. And it's really warm and nice. So we're selling raffle tickets for the Christmas lights. This is Kevin the idiot.
Hello.
Hello. Do you come here often?
I've just been saying hello to people. I'm not sure the donkey sounds like that all the time.
Why don't you go around talking like Gladys? Then you probably get a round of applause. A bit like that. Bit like that. So it's been a really nice afternoon. The class clown is entertaining the crowds. Got my little Cleveleys flag flying. Look, this is Andy taking photos. That's Lexi looking for a mum. There's Betty and Irene doing the tombola. Are you doing well, ladies? Have you sold lots? Have you sold lots? Got guess the sweets, little bags of sweets on sale. Debbie's round the back here with oh, that looks like a tired baby. Here's Christina doing the counting.
Hi.
You're doing very well. And here's Debbie doing the jumble. And Carol's extorting money out of people. She's doing quite well actually, feeling at the... Give it a shake, Carol. Oh, that sounds like it's starting to fill up.
I've done that. Done that one today, so I'll see what else I've got.
Ice cream man's doing a roaring trade, I should imagine. This is Nora and Michael doing the tombola. Goodness, she looks like she's doing all right. That was absolutely full from one end to the other when she put that stall out. And this is two Lizzes and a Helen. Two Lizzes and a Helen doing home baking. These are the ones I made yesterday afternoon. So the next event is the 21st of October on Victoria Road West, and it's a Halloween event. So that'll be good.
Back in town to see about you in the love, the city again. After throwing out all the hard and cash, now my feet that's like a sailor. Could it be? I was just a flash.
So the dances we're doing, we've got a waltz that arguably went right back to the Victorian times. It was Queen Victoria's favourite dance, apparently. And then we're going to do a bit of jive, kind of, you know, just teaser jive. It's when the GIs came over during the wartime. The English ladies just ignored the English guys and just went for the American guys, you know, so hey-ho, that's another story. And then we're going to move through to a kind of foxtrot, which kind of passes from like the 40s to the 50s.
Start to spread. Just a jackknife has my ear, and it keeps saying,
Oh, it's him.
Sunday morning on the sidewalk lies a body, just oozing life. Someone sneaking around the corner.
And that's it, we've finished. The afternoon is over, it's been a lovely success. There's another big cloud up there, it's still blowing a gale. And it's been really good. I've been learning how to do the Charleston, very badly I might add, and the Lambeth Walk, which also was equally awful. The craft stalls down here have done really well. They've had a good day. Can you see them down there? So yeah, it's been a really good event. Now we're packing up and taking everything away, and we're all going to go home and we're all going to go. So next event is 21st of October on Victoria Road West, and that's a Halloween-y winter lights one. So we'll see you next time. Toodaloo, bye.